Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering parts and making the first connections. Mount the camera module into the bracket and secure the lens. This ensures consistent focus for QR decoding. Once done, connect the camera to your single-board computer or microcontroller and attach the ring LED to 5V through a current-limited driver. Make sure to solder stable power and provide a USB or UART link for data. These initial choices determine scan reliability and speed, so pick components rated for continuous operation. You now move into software setup and tuning. Install the operating system, enable camera drivers, and then install OpenCV plus a QR library like ZBar or ZZing. This stack decodes symbols reliably. Once the software is running, write a small loop to capture frames, preprocess with grayscale and adaptive threshold, then hand frames to the decoder. Make sure to tune exposure, gain, and focus so the algorithm sees high-contrast modules. These parameters are critical for speed and accuracy under different lighting. You finish by building the enclosure, wiring the user interface, and validating performance. Install the camera and LEDs into a rigid housing with a diffusing window, route cables to the controller, and add a simple UI that shows success via LED and posts results over HTTP or serial. Then run systematic tests across 100 varied QR samples, logging failures. If decoding fails, check illumination, retune exposure, or move the lens slightly closer. That single troubleshooting step usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.